Altia offers graphical user interface development software and services for getting beautiful GUIs from artist concepts to hardware quickly and efficiently. In this video, we want to demonstrate how Altia's streamlined workflow could help your team develop a GUI and generate graphics code like you see running on this production intent hardware. Here, our artist is working in Photoshop. They'll use Altia's Photo Proto plugin to prepare their graphics for import into Altia Design. Altia allows design teams to use assets from all popular graphics software, so this artwork could also come from other 2D graphics tools like Illustrator and Sketch, or 3D tools like Maya and 3ds Max. Once in Altia Design, we select and import the XML file that was produced by our Photo Proto plugin. When the design, the gauge, and the needle are loaded into Altia Design, we can add a rotation animation to drive the needle with just a few clicks. No coding required. The designer simply selects the model from the navigator pane and drops the design in a layer object. A predefined rotation object is used to provide the rotation animation. With just a few clicks in the navigator pane, the needle is linked to the rotation animation. The designer then verifies the animation is working as desired. Now that the design is completed to the designer's satisfaction, we can generate optimized C code with a literal click of a button. This C code is specifically optimized for the target hardware, in this case, an IMX8. Once the code is built and libraries are produced, we copy the binaries to the target hardware. As you can see, within minutes and minimum effort, you can take a design concept created from a tool like Photoshop, import that design into Altia Design, add an animation, generate optimized C code, and run that exact design on your target hardware in a matter of minutes. If you'd like to learn more about designing and deploying your next GUI with Altia, you can email us at info@altia.com or visit www.altia.com.